And welcome back, you guys, to Ace of Vegas. Ace here, and today we really gotta pick a new game. I am thinking something a little less Ainsworthy and something a little more gimmicky. Granted, Mustang Fortune worked really well, but I just want to do something a little goofier. I know I got a request a long time ago for Masked Ball Nights, so I think we should get that party started.
Is the Ace of Vegas, the Ace of Vegas.
Okay, we got our masks on, looking like Nightwing and Batgirl up in this piece right now, Masquerade Nights. And I got a feeling this is going to be kind of a quiet game, as I'm immediately not hearing a lot of music when I adjust the bet. Let's just go ahead and put 45 million through the machine real quick. So we're going to do a bet of 450,000. And I've recorded the starting bet. On your mark, get set, ready, go. Yeah, I know someone talked to me about this game and said that they'd had stellar luck on it so far. So I'm hoping that that luck rubs off. We had a really good time at Mustang Fortune, so we'll go ahead and see if this one's a good one too. Now for Wednesday's video, probably gonna put up some more stream stuff. I haven't had a chance to finish editing a lot of other videos I've had. If you guys know a cheap film crew or something like that that you can pass my way, that'd be actually probably kind of pointless because I definitely can't afford that yet, so whatever. Let's see, let's talk about something fun in Vegas. Have you guys had a chance to look at that new Circa resort? I was looking at the construction site. Apparently they're building a mega resort downtown. Oh, this is a thing. What's going on here? Oh, I got a 5 of a kind. Why did this happen? The extra reward popped up. That's a thing that happened. Okay, that was a good one. That was pretty cool. So apparently, just sporadically, this extra reward thing will just pop up, and it'll turn something into a wild, and then that apparently increases our probabilities of getting more wilds. Well, this is a very interesting little game here, and the theme is kind of nice too. It kind of reminds me of it's got that kind of Cinderella sort of look to, and like a proper masquerade party. I've always wanted to go to a proper masquerade party, but I don't know anybody in a high society that rolls like that, so you know, haven't been able to go, and I suspect that I will not be able to go. Oh, see, there it goes again. So it's gonna go change something else into a wild, and that's okay. That was worth a good 900,000. I'm not sure if it's just going by number of spins here, or if there's an algorithm to this, like if there's a reason that these are turning into wilds. I'd really like to figure it out. I don't know. One thing I have been working real hard to figure out, and when I say working, I mean reading up on it, is win slots. Actually, there are a lot of people in the MyVegas Facebook group that I'm a part of. I'll put a link to them in the description box below. But what they do is, you know, everyone plays MyVegas slots there, and we all share tips and tricks and things like that. Then we also show off the vacations that we got, and you know, talk about the MyVegas rewards that we get and how good a time that we had just playing a video game and then getting, you know, free stuff in real life, which is a really good time. So I'll put a link to that in the description box below if you guys are interested in jumping into the group. It's a really good place to be. I pop in there pretty frequently too, so just another cool place to hang out, because I like to hang out on the internet for some reason. Alright, that's another decent one. Yeah, I gotta admit, I don't think it doesn't feel like a chip eater so far. I don't feel like it's a super strong game, but I've definitely seen a lot worse, you know, on stream personally too, and just in my personal time, I've seen much worse games. But for the experiment, I think we're holding pretty strong. As a whole, we're still up for the experiment. I think we started at something like 70 million chips or something absurd like that, something small. Oh, and here it goes again. It just changed all these random little things into wilds. And that's a 5 of a kind. How many is that worth? Aces getting the aces over here. 4.8 milli. Okay, cool. So we're maintaining pretty well here. And this is actually speeding through pretty fast. Alright, that's not too bad. And looking forward to next year in Vegas here. We got a lot of big stuff coming. We got the Resorts World Casino coming up, and then we also got, I think Genting is going to finish Fountain Blue, so that's going to be cool. I think it's going to be called the Drew. Oh, what's that? Oh, she's the one that does the free games? And she's dancing? Is that how that works? Okay, alright, whatever you say, MyKonami. You guys have been pretty good to us these last couple weeks, so that's nice, alright. Whatever you say, MyKonami, let's go ahead and do the free games. 15 free games, let's go. I wonder if the extra rewards pop up during the free games. That would be interesting to see, to say the least. Not sure if they do. Alright. That looks like a... Okay, it's like a standard bet. A little bit. I don't think there's anything else to do here. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, wait, no, I guess it does pop up. Alright, so that's like 2... And we didn't get anything off of that. Oh, well. I wonder if it'll pop up. Oh, okay, it does pop up again. Okay, so now that's bizarre, because it just said that... Oh, no, I guess those are just ones. They don't have to... I guess they just turn those into wilds. They don't have to put a diamond behind them. I thought it had to put a diamond behind them. I'm fairly confused. Okay. That's a wild, too. So they kind of stack up a little bit here. This is cool. Not a very gimmicky game, but it looks like it's consistent, if nothing else. And how many more games do we have to burn through? We got 3 free games. Getting a little something out of this. Extra reward is still burning hot. Alright. We're back up to our starting bet. 800, or 431,860,000 or so. Alright, that was 4 of a kind. And that was our last free spin. So we're up $1 million. So feasibly we could walk away and still be doing just fine. But we'll go ahead and burn out the other 40 spins just to see what happens here. Yeah, I've had relatively good luck with Konami. We're going to go ahead and see about Konami on the stream sometime soon too, to see if it still maintains for us. We actually got a post that was noticed by Konami actually the other day. You know, tweeted at him and said, hey, you guys going easy on me because we'd had some pretty good luck. And they're like, nope, looks like you're on a hot streak, bro. So that was neat. Very much would like to check out MyKonami and the guys that play studios there just to see how their process goes, see what their ideas are, see if they have any big ideas for the games going forward. I'd really like to see another non-slot game here sometime pretty soon. Like maybe a craps game or a roulette game. I think that'd be rather fascinating. You guys should comment down below what kind of games do you think MyVegas should come out with just to keep the concept fresh. Not that getting free stuff isn't a fresh concept, but just to keep the concept fresh and keep the ideas going and keep the fan base happy. What would you guys like to see as a fan base? Maybe some stuff for the Drew, the Fountain Blue Casino that's coming out, or maybe the Resorts World Casino. I know for a while we had some Resorts World, some international Resorts World stuff going on. And I'm not sure how the contract works for that, since they'll have a Resorts World in Vegas finally. I'm not sure if we're going to get rewards for that anytime soon, or if MGM has an exclusive contract and they just don't want the competition, which is probably why we don't have any Caesars rewards. I don't know. Something to think about. Something to think about there. I'm quite curious. What else? Alright, so we got a pretty good one. That's 4 of a kind. Nice. So we only got 5 more spins left. I don't think we're going to get anything else. It looks like we've just lost like 11 million chips here. And that's just how that is. I don't know why that got stacked if nothing happened there. And that's enough of that. Okay, so that was neat. Had a couple neat little things. So I'm going to go ahead and take a quick break here. Going to do some maths, count up the booty, and see how we did. Alright. And we're back, guys. So I did remember to add Mustang Fortune to our favorite games over here with a payback percentage of 130-something%. So that's good news. The bad news is Masked Ball Knights is not going to be joining us. We had a paltry payback of 73.92%. Not a major chip eater in the early bits of the game, but once we got past that 60 spin threshold, that's when it started eating away at us again. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the no list. I think next time we should get some little more MyVegas-y. Maybe we'll do Bet Rock nights before we go back to another Konami game like Chili Fire or Lion Festival. Although we can probably play one of these on stream too. If you guys haven't checked out the stream on Twitch.tv, we usually do them every Saturday. I did it Sunday this week because I had a lot of family plans. Had my anniversary, my daughter's birthday, and all that good type of stuff too. So we didn't actually have time to do the stream on Saturday. Very sorry about that, but you know. I got a life. You guys got a life. That's just how it is. And I'll go ahead and make it up to you this Saturday, too, with some awesome streaming action. So, until then, Ace Vegas is signing out. Strong hands and happy spinning.